Shiba Inu CEO Satoshi Kusama is not stopping. This is just the beginning. The main developer gave us a huge affirmation that the team is still moving forward. This is very crazy. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent information about Shiba Inu Coin, and how will this impact their value? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the chart and observe how the cost of Shiba is moving on November 12th. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 2570 units. With a trading volume of $6.5 billion during the last 24 hours, Shib's price has increased by 1%. The token is now the 11th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of more than $15.1 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Let's move on to the video for today. Due to a recent price rise, the burn rate for Shiba Inu has increased by about 2,000%. Shib is running. Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, has recently become a cryptocurrency phenomenon. In the last week, its price has increased by more than 50%. At the time of writing, Shib's market value is much more than $15 billion, having just overtaken Tron, which has a valuation of around $1.9 billion. Around $14.2 billion. Shiba Inu's burning program, the general recovery of the cryptocurrency industry, and the resurrection of meme coin frenzy are among of the most likely causes of the asset's bull run. Over 463 million coins have been taken out of circulation in the last 24 hours due to the burn rate, which has increased by 1,837%, according to data. The ultimate objective of the process is to decrease the vast quantity of Shib, which might eventually make it more rare and valuable. Since the program's adoption, more than $410 trillion worth of tokens have been burned, putting around $589 trillion in circulation at the moment. An extra factor, Shibarium's resurgence, is another factor that may have contributed to the recent increase in Shib prices. Since the beginning of November, the Layer 2 scaling solution has handled millions of transactions per day. The overall number of blocks is around 7.8 million, while the total number of Shibarium activities is now slightly below the 500 million milestone. A key factor in improving the Shib ecosystem is the protocol. It speeds up transactions and lowers prices by reducing network congestion. It also has a burning mechanism, which, like the one described above, tries to lower the amount in circulation and maybe raise the price of SHI. We would much appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still viewing. It is completely free and contributes significantly to the channel's support. To learn about the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin, however, stay watching. Amazing 21 trillion Shiba Inu in a day. Every record is broken. Shiba Inu has shattered previous records with an astounding 21 trillion SHI activities in the last day. This surge has resulted in a sharp rise in SHI's price and further attention for the meme currency. The latest statistics from Into the Block, which shows both a high transaction volume and a growth in the amount of transactions, demonstrates how busy SHI's network is. SHI's price chart shows a strong increasing trend with a recent notable spike. This breakthrough, which has raised market capital, has likely triggered investors' FOMO or fear of missing out after a period of consolidation. A notable volume increase that supports this rise suggests that purchasing demand is still strong and has the potential to drive SHI much higher. However, there is a reverse aspect. The data from Into the Block also suggests significant whale activity, which might be a sign of potential profit-taking. Whales, or significant holders, often affect the market when they start spreading their holdings. In order to capitalize on recent gains, whales may be shifting their SHIB holdings into smaller accounts or selling off a part of their holdings, as suggested by the high amount of huge transactions. Although the large volume and price spikes suggest good momentum, the heightened whale activity warrants caution. If whales continue to sell off their holdings, they may exert downward pressure on the price of a SHIB. However, these agreements may lead to more ownership of SHIB, which might finally stabilize the price, provided they are more about smart redistribution than a full-scale sell-off. If SHIB maintains its present pace, it will be important to keep an eye on the next resistance levels. A good breakthrough above these levels might further fuel the rally, but if the current gains are not maintained, a short-term pullback may take place. Overall, SHIB has recently done quite well, but investors should be cautious and closely monitor whale movements. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. An amazing message about Ryoshi and SHIB's destiny is delivered by Satoshi Kusama. Under the alias Satoshi Kusama, the mysterious commander of the Shiba Inu squad, known as the Shib Army, sent out a tweet to the community with a powerful message. In addition to discussing SHIB's destiny, this letter makes reference to Ryoshi, the enigmatic creator of Shiba Inu. Additionally, he addressed individuals who were spreading hate toward SHIB in his message. On Sunday, Satoshi Kusama looks to Japan for his SHIB proposal. In a series of tweets, Satoshi Kusama discussed SHIB and the SHIB plan he presented to the U.S. government earlier this week. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of the Cardano blockchain, said that he would work with the administration of the future U.S. political leader on cryptocurrency policy in 2025. Kusama responded to this revelation. Kusama said that the U.S. government did not make the statement, only the Cardano creator did. In one of his subsequent tweets, Satoshi Kusama said that both parties to this partnership will make an announcement if the government approved his SHIB plan. Satoshi inquired who other governments he should provide SHIB to, stating that the USA was appropriately ignoring it for the time being. The Japanese government was one of his concepts. Friend, you have the power to shape the future. This Twitter sequence came to an end with Ryoshi's message, in which Kusama wished the SHIB lads and ladies a pleasant weekend and said that was enough for now. In the comments section, one SHIB fan said that Kusama held the key to his destiny. Satoshi retorted that the community, and particularly SHIB, has the power to shape the future. I am only giving what I promised, plus a few more, Kusama informed the SHIB troops. According to the SHIB team's Kusama, both his vision and the vision of Ryoshi, the enigmatic creator who decided to follow in Satoshi Nakamoto's path and vanished in 2022, must be transcended by the SHIB community. Satoshi noted that this is how we win rather than how we win. Kusama also spoke to the community, stating that it's time to highlight the strength, cutting-edge technology, and creative thinking that enabled SHIB to weather the bear market. Satoshi spoke out against individuals who propagate false information. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.